What would you do if ransomware encrypted all your business data and criminals demanded $5,000 to unlock it? And why does paying the ransom still leave you facing over $100,000 in recovery costs, downtime, and lost business? We'll see exactly what ransomware costs a small business, why the ransom is just the beginning, and the 3 critical steps that prevent these attacks from devastating your operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real cost breakdown of a ransomware attack, why small businesses are targeted, and how to protect your business without becoming a cybersecurity expert. John walked into his Virginia wrecking company to find his worst nightmare. Ransomware had encrypted his inventory and sales data. His $1 million business was paralyzed. He did the right thing, disconnected the infected computer immediately and called for help. The attackers wanted $5,000 to $10,000 for the decryption key. But here's what most business owners don't realize. The ransom is the smallest cost you'll face. There's also lost revenue while systems are down, emergency IT response, plus replacement equipment. Recovering from a ransomware attack is typically expensive. According to PurpleSec, the average cost for small businesses to recover from a ransomware attack starts at $120,000. Companies with compliance requirements will have more legal and notification expenses. Why do criminals target small businesses? Simple math. 1/3 of small businesses get hit each year. Lower cybersecurity investment makes them easy targets. And it's estimated that about 60% of small business ransomware victims close within a year. The businesses that survive ransomware attacks have 3 things in place before disaster strikes. First, good cybersecurity habits. These include multi-factor authentication, regular updates, and trusted software only. Second, reliable backups stored separately from your main systems. And third, an incident response plan so everyone knows what to do when an attack happens. Prevention costs a fraction of recovery. Read our blog post on ransomware showing the real costs, response steps, and how to protect your business.